Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've been on a pretty good diet since the last video, and just sitting here enjoying a sunset from the top of this shed here in Arizona. All right, just kidding. So I just climbed up a hill. That's why for 3 miles. That's why I'm out of breath. Got a whole bunch of time lapse you saw before this. JC and I knocked out 900 miles yesterday on our way to Dinos Git Down, and made it here as far as Mcdowell Mountain, where we'll be staying for a couple nights and heading over to Cave Creek. But again, sorry for being out of breath. We were trying to beat the sunset so we could ride down the bluff trail as the sun's setting. So we made it here to Jackass Flats, and we're getting ready to ride back downhill. But look forward to showing you guys some video from Dinos and all the cars we'll be shooting this week in Arizona. But for now, we're gonna ride mountain bikes and have a good time and ride down this downhill, and see you guys later. Texas.